In South Korea, there exists a unique and innovative bed factory that crafts mattresses akin to soft, delectable cakes. This factory has mastered the art of blending comfort, craftsmanship, and creativity to produce bedding that transcends traditional expectations. At the heart of this mattress-making process lies a dedication to quality materials. The factory meticulously sources the finest fabrics, foams, and natural filings, prioritizing the use of eco-friendly and sustainable materials whenever possible. These carefully selected elements serve as the foundation for the mattresses, ensuring a balance between support and cloud-like softness. The manufacturing process begins with the precise cutting and shaping of the mattress components. Advanced machinery, guided by skilled artisans, crafts the layers of foam and fabric with exactness, akin to a pastry chef carefully layering a cake. The result is a harmonious blend of materials that offer body contouring support, reminiscent of sinking into a soft and sumptuous confection. One of the factory's secrets to achieving this cake-like sensation lies in the craftsmanship of quilting. Talented artisans expertly sew intricate patterns and designs into the mattress surface, akin to the fine details and icing on a cake. This meticulous quilting not only enhances the aesthetics, but also ensures that the materials remain evenly distributed, providing a consistent plushness from edge to edge. Moreover, the factory embraces innovation in its production process. With the integration of cutting-edge technology, they optimize their manufacturing to create customized mattresses tailored to individual preferences. Customers can choose from a delightful menu of options, much like selecting flavors and toppings for a delectable cake. This personalized approach allows sleepers to find the perfect blend of softness and support, catering to their unique sleep needs and desires. Safety and hygiene are paramount in the manufacturing process. The factory adheres to stringent quality control measures, ensuring that each mattress meets strict industry standards. Additionally, they prioritize the use of hypoallergenic and antimicrobial materials. Providing a clean and healthy sleeping environment, much like a baker, ensuring the purity of their ingredients. Once the mattresses are crafted to perfection, they're elegantly packaged, ready to be delivered to customers' doorsteps. As the mattresses leave the factory, they bring with them the promise of a restful and indulgent sleep experience, akin to savoring a delicious slice of cake. The reputation of this Korean bed factory has spread far beyond the country's borders. Its mattresses have garnered admirers worldwide who seek out these cake-like marvels for their unparalleled comfort and exquisite craftsmanship. In conclusion, this Korean bed factory has elevated mattress making to an art form, creating bedding that evokes the softness and delight of cakes. Through a combination of premium materials, expert craftsmanship, and a touch of innovation, they have transformed the way we think about sleep and comfort. As customers rest on these heavenly mattresses, they not only enjoy a rejuvenating slumber, but also experience the blissful sensation of being cradled in a bed that feels like a slice of pure indulgence.